I would like to talk about some mistakes which I used to make when I used the whiteboard. Hi teachers to be, my name is Tatiana Skripkina and you're watching my YouTube channel for language teachers. So, before you start your lesson, make sure that you've got markers and they all write well, like this. And maybe you would like to color code some words. So, for example, I've got different colors. If I would like, maybe I want to use green for vocabulary, which I write here in green, and probably also here vocabulary in green. My working space would be in black. So here is working space in black. Aims of the lesson here in red. And feedback maybe in blue. Feedback goes here. Next one is please mind the position where you stand near your whiteboard. For example, you would like to point out some words to your students and you should stand like this and to make sure that all your students can see these words. Because some teachers, show like this, la la la, and some students may not see what you're pointing at. The third one is your handwriting. I would like to say sorry because usually I write with my right hand and today I'm writing with my left hand, so my handwriting is a little bit messy. Because I keep in mind the position where I stand. If today I use my right hand, I would be writing like this and it wouldn't be so nice to show you my back. So that's why I decided to use my left hand for you to see clearly what I'm doing here. The next one is talking to the whiteboard. Some teachers, and including me, I used to talk to the whiteboard. It's like this. So here we write, so here is your working space. It's really awful, and I think that I shouldn't explain why. When you write your feedback here, examples, for example, of good and bad language, when you write examples of bad language, for example, she don't work. You ask your students, is it okay? No, it is not okay. What's not okay? Don't. What's the correct? Doesn't. Yes. And for your students to see clearly that this is a mistake, you should point it. So you cross out don't and you write doesn't here. For your students to see and to write down the correct sentence, she doesn't work. I'm sure that you've got something to add, so you should leave a comment. If you like this video, share it with your colleagues or friends. And of course, remember to subscribe to stay in touch.